Wanting fresh vegetables is one thing, but wanting them to grow the absolute best is another story entirely. That is, until you follow this simple guide. Because today, we're going over exactly that. Now, what we need to know is how this method actually works, because this isn't some one-and-done trick that only helps at a single stage. That means during the seedling stage, when the plant is still fragile and establishing its roots, through the vegetative stage, when it's putting all its energy into growing bigger and stronger, and right through to the flowering stage. The first ingredient we're going to be using is a few teaspoons of used coffee grounds. And used coffee grounds contain nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are essential nutrients that plants need to grow strong stems, healthy leaves, and vibrant blooms. Then, fill it with clean water. I'm using about 300 milliliters here. Just make sure it's enough to fully cover those coffee grounds. Tap water is fine for this. You don't need anything filtered or special. Just enough to let everything mix together properly. Now give it a good stir, making sure those coffee grounds are fully mixed through the water. Then close the lid, set it aside, and let it sit for a couple of hours. The longer it sits, the more it has a chance to properly infuse. After around 2 hours, come back and give it one last stir, just to make sure everything has fully infused together. You'll notice the water has taken on a darker color by now. That's exactly what you want to see. Then we're going to strain it out, making sure to get rid of all the coffee grounds and any leftover residue, so we're left with just the liquid. What you want at the end is a clean, dark liquid with nothing solid left in it. Finally, the last ingredient we're adding is 3 tablets of vitamin B1. And vitamin B1 is often used by gardeners to help reduce transplant shock and to support strong, healthy root development. Just crush the tablets up first. That way they'll dissolve into the solution much faster. Then we're going to top it off with water, just to dilute the solution down a bit before we use it. You don't want this too concentrated, so add enough water to bring it to a level you're comfortable working with. With the solution ready, we're going to fill it into a watering can. This just makes the whole process so much easier, especially if you've got more than 1 or 2 plants to get through. Pour it in slowly and give the can a little swirl afterward, just to make sure everything stays mixed together and doesn't settle back down to the bottom. Once that's done, we're ready to start watering. But before we can start watering, we need to loosen the soil first. Take a small hand rake or even just your fingers and gently work through the top layer around the base of the plant. This does 2 things. It breaks up any compacted soil that's formed on the surface, and it opens up little channels for the solution to actually soak in properly, instead of just running off or pooling on top. Then begin watering the base of the plant. Pour slowly and evenly, giving the soil time to actually soak it in, rather than dumping it all at once and watching it run straight off. Work your way around the base in a slow circle, so every part of the root zone gets a fair share, instead of just pooling in one spot. You'll notice the soil start to darken as it absorbs the solution. That's exactly what you want to see. Now, once you've applied this, here's how to keep it going as part of your regular routine. Use this solution once every 2 weeks, or 2. Not more than that, because even good things can overdo it if you're too heavy-handed. On the days in between, just water normally, whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. And if your plant is sitting somewhere with a lot of direct sun, keep an eye on it. It'll dry out faster and might need water a little more often. Stick to this routine consistently, and you'll start noticing the difference within just a couple of weeks. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to help your vegetables grow bigger, stronger, and healthier. If you found this helpful, give it a try on your own plants, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple gardening tips like this one. I'll see you in the next one.